Hey, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2026 Forest River Sandpiper, and this is the 422FKL destination trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, there is a big window. We do have that wrapped for protection right now. Does have two 30-pound propane tanks. Really nice molded fiberglass front cap with LED lighting up top and down below. Spot for a battery right behind those propane tanks. Two slide outs on the 422FKL. Your sewer outlet connection is here, and then you do have stabilizer jacks right behind the axles here, and then on the very back of the unit as well. On-demand hot water heater, which is located right along the back wall. And then you do have two very large electric awnings with LED lighting. Second entry door there. There is also extra 110 outlets and an LP quick connect line right by that back stabilizer jack. Tons of windows on this side. And then more stabilizer jacks up front here as well. As you walk into the main entry door, you do have a really nice sectional L couch that will fold out into a bed if you need it to. This is within the slide, but it is on rollers down below, so it'll just slide across the floor. You don't have to disassemble anything. It does have a nice flat screen TV with fireplace down below and JBL stereo and radio system. Big window above the couch. And then large French door, refrigerator, and freezer. Tons of storage in the kitchen. Does have a ceiling fan up above. Ducted air conditioning. And then full-size 3-burner oven, microwave. Here's that front kitchen, so you do have outlets on each side of the sink. One over there as well. Tons of storage down below. And up above with accent lighting. Then you've got this awesome table. This is all solid surface. There is an ottoman for the couch underneath the table there. Again, huge windows. And over here is your coat closet, and your main control panel is located here as well, along with your thermostat and your max air fan controls. Breakers are down on that black panel there. And you do have a loft. These are collapsible steps, so those will actually fold up to the sidewall here when you don't need them. But up in the loft area, as you can see, there's more storage. A nice mattress there. Tons of space. There's two outlets along that back wall as well. And here is your bathroom. So toilet, mirror with accent lighting, lots of storage, tons of countertop space, and then a really big shower. Lots of ceiling height in here. There's your skylight up above, and it does also have a fan. And in the very back is the master bedroom. So you've got direct entry into the master bedroom. king size bed, thermostat along this wall here. And then all storage along this back wall with drawers as well. And in here, you have washer dryer prep, or you can use it as a big storage closet. I'll do one more walk around of the floor plan here. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this brand new 2026 Forest River Sandpiper 422FKL destination trailer, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.